Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Adi Explorer. Currently I'm having experience to stay right face to departure hall of NAIA International Airport because I have a flight tomorrow to Hong Kong. Why I am in advance in near the airport? Because sometimes it's really hard to catch the flight because of the traffic jam. Anyway, let me tell you, it's really a great place to stay and to relax and enjoy the awesome view of planes taking off every 5 to 10 minutes, especially for those people who is really eager to enjoy the view of planes taking off like me. What about the food? Don't worry, I have got you covered here. I have had a experience to find out halal food options on the Grab app. It was really delicious and convenient to find out the foods on the Grab app. If you really want to go to the restaurant physically, then you can just look for the address on the Grab app and it will be really very easy for you to go to the restaurant and enjoy your meals. If you are ever gonna transiting Manila, then I will highly recommend you to guys stay right face to departure hall. There are few hotels options like Sheraton, Marriott, Belmont and Savoy. If you really want to enjoy the view of planes taking off like me, then I would recommend to stay with Savoy International Hotel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.